To connect to the LogOn system from an Android device using the Tigercat app, tap on the LogOn button and then tap on the Open Settings button. This will take the user to the Wi-Fi networks page. Then select any Wi-Fi network that starts with LogOn, followed by the dash and the machine serial number. In this video, LogOn-11857777 Wi-Fi network was selected. Once the connection has been established, the user must go back into the Tigercat app and tap on the Launch LogOn button. This will take the user to the login page of LogOn in the user's default browser. Enter the default username as OWNER or owner, and then the default password as uppercase O, lowercase WNER7, uppercase Q. And then tap on the Login button. These default credentials will remain until the user changes their existing LogOn credentials for that machine.